guys? Welcome back. And on today's episode of Cooking with the first mate Hugo, we're going to be cooking pizza. Alright, so ready to bake. Alright, ShopRite brand. And what we're going to be doing, let's see, 170 calories and blah blah blah. But you know what? Before any of this, before me and the first mate can even do anything, we gotta have a drink. Alright, we gotta do this. Here we go. Here we go. Da-da-da. Alright. Now that's poured. This is not going in the pizza. That's just refreshment for the captain. Alright, so. Alright, we gotta pop these open. Let me see. Hold on, let me read the instructions. You know, I tend to do that where I pop this to hell open and then I gotta go dig out of the trash to find out what to set the oven at. You know, you ever do that? 425. Alright. Preheat the oven. So let me do that. We're gonna preheat the oven over here. Now, if I had a souped up duper studio here, you know, with state-of-the-art camera capabilities, I would have did a quick shot and a cut and, you know, showed me pushing the buttons on the stove. But, you know, we're live TV here. We're a small YouTube channel, as you know, and and as you see, the production and the riggers are messing with the chair. Here, let me show you. Get over here. Get over here. What are you doing, man? What you doing? Alright, Mr. Toby here. Alright. Fifth mate on the wheel, or whatever you want to call him. He's a little frisky. Wanting to play with everything. So, nipping at my heels down here and stuff like that and messing with the chair. Alright, so I will cut away though. Alright, so this is just my introduction. Cheers, guys. Alright, so gotta get a can opener, open my olives. So one pizza is going to have olives, and I believe the wife wants olives and onions on one, and the kids' pizza is going to have just plain cheese. Alright, and we got the ShopRite pizza sauce. So, I'll bring you back when we set up the pans and I change the camera around. Alright, so as you see, we got the setup, and Captain only uses Goya extra virgin olive oil. Don't ask me why, I just prefer it, and you know, it's directly from Spain. So hey, you can't go wrong with that. You can't go wrong with Goya. Alright, so I'm gonna just lightly just grease up the pan. Probably don't need to do that with this pan, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Makes the crust come out easier. I mean, you know, the pizza come out easier. Not stick to the pan. This is a pampered chef pan. All right, this part always scares the crap out of me. I never know if this thing's gonna. Oh crap! There it goes. Scares the crap out of the captain every time. Get this worm of a dough out. Alright, hold up. Alright, sink. And, oh jeez, this thing is actually wider than the pan. Maybe I should go another angle. Maybe not. Alright, we're going to stretch this out. Alright, it's been a while since the captain made a pizza, and he's famished. We had a nice little vacation over the weekend. For my daughter's birthday, we went to Lancaster, PA, and you know, then we did the rides at Hershey. I know I didn't shoot any footage. I did bring the first mate with me, but you know, it was more of a family thing, so we couldn't, you know, I couldn't really shoot any footage. You know, I wanted to do something, but I really couldn't. Okay, now I need to get a spoon. Alright, so got the olives. I got some onions here. I gotta do a quick chop up of the onions. let me bring my little tray over here. I don't know if this is on camera or not. Live TV, folks. Some of it's on camera. Alright. So, get my salsa mix. Real simple, guys. Nothing. But you know what? Making homemade stuff, I don't know. It always tastes better than the store-bought stuff, you know? You got the little tender love and care, as they say, you know, going into your own stuff. You make it how you want it. You know, Captain likes to spice it up a little bit. You know, not going to tell the wife that. You know what I'm saying? Surprise her. I'm going to put some hot pepper in this a little bit. Yeah. Make sure we got plenty of sauce. I don't want too much sauce though. But I don't want a dry pizza either. So it's always trying to, you know, every time I do this, you never know how much or how little. That looks okay. And maybe another one. Alright. Step 2. I'll set that there next to the first mate. Step 2. Crushed red pepper. And we're gonna load this up, man. We're gonna load it up. Shh. Don't tell the wife. Alright, there we got. You know what? We got some garlic. I'm gonna kick it up a notch. I'm gonna add a little bit of that. Oh, damn, man. Don't you hate it when your seasoning spices start like, I know a lot of people put rice and stuff so it doesn't do that. Where the heck is it? Alright. There we go. There we go. A little pinch or two of garlic. There. Yeah. Yeah, what the hell. Alright. And this is my pizza. So, I'm trying to think. Yeah, put the olives on. Yeah. Put the olives on first. Cheese last. You know what I'm saying? Whoop. Making a mess. Making a mess. Well, you know what? There's only one way to cook in the captain's kitchen, and that's making a mess. Of course, first mate will be swabbing the deck once we be done here. Alright, now the onions. Now I gotta chop them up. Let me see it. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta check on my time. Yeah, alright. Because, as you know, I've said this in the past, my camera, because I have to update my memory card. For some reason, it's glitched. Like, every once in a while, it'll say memory can't be deleted, and then every time it does that, I'll lose memory on the chip. So I only have like 461 megabytes per video, which equivalent to, I don't know, maybe a 20-minute video before I gotta like unload the card. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. So this is going to be an olive and onion pizza. It doesn't matter how you chop up your onions. The oven is preheating, like I said, at 425. We got some nice smooth jazz playing in the background. I hope it's not loud enough for the camera to pick up, because if it is, daggone it, my video is going to be demonetized. Well, I'm not monetized anyway because I don't have enough views and I don't have enough subscribers. You know, all the minimum bullcrap that they're doing nowadays on YouTube. But still, it'll flag me for copyright, and I don't want that happening anymore. So I'm trying to stop, you know, background noises. Oh, there goes the stove. So she's ready to go. Alright, I don't know how much, just, you know, you can make your pizza however you want. So if you want to follow the captain's recipe, by God, follow along. Alright, Mr. Toby is over there playing with the curtain strings by the kitchen table. So if you hear that. Alright, what do you think? More olives, more onions, or is this good enough? I mean, it's such a small pizza. but I want to make it hearty, you know? The way the captain eats anyway. It's a little naked over here. Some more olives over here. There we go. Alright, that's good for now. Now we need a nip. One for you, matey. There you go. There. Alright. Now that we are refreshed, we are going to get this puppy in the oven. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to even read that. See that? See, this is what I'm talking about. I already threw the other directions out. So it says here, how long did I cook this for? Bake for 9 to 13 minutes for thin crust, 14 to 16 for a thick crust. Well, what the hell? This comes out one size. I say it's medium thick. So I'd say around 14 minutes we'll put this thing in the oven for. So let's bring you over here. Oh, you know what? The captain forgot to take out his cast iron. Oh, crap. Oh, man. What am I going to do? Oh! Man, I'm glad I did this. Wow. See, this is what what are we having, a vegan pizza here? What's going on here? I forgot the cheese. Holy hell. Can't have a pizza without mozzarella. Man, they look unscripted, folks. Wow, imagine that. I put that in there, and we got no cheese. I pull it out. Whoa. First mate, why didn't you warn me? Why didn't you say, yo, Cap, what are you doing? You're too busy drinking. Alright. Yeah, we're going to load this bitch up. Excuse me for French. Probably do français. Alright. Yeah, I got another bag of this. I'm going to go hot and heavy, baby. Hot and heavy. The only way the captain knows how to ride. Or sail. What do you think? Is that enough, guys? A little more for posterity. Man, we got a little bit over here. Oh, look, I'm dropping it all over the floor. Shoot. Alright, let's get over here. Yeah. Alright. Alright, I don't think I forgot anything. Alright, so I'll use the rest of this on the kids' pizza. And then, I have another bag. Ooh, there's an extra olive. Put that there. Alright, so now that we got this, let's do this, shall we? Alright, open the oven. Now I gotta get this, as I said before, live TV, mitten on, re-seasoned cast iron, obviously, now that I had that in an oven, out, and pizza goes in. And we're going to put that in for, let's see, timer on, 15 minutes. Give or take. We'll see how it comes out. So, let me see, shaky camera. So we'll see how that comes out. Hopefully I'm in focus. I hate when I have to do this because I can't see what I'm seeing with my Nikon camera. So we're just going to wait it out and refresh. Oh shit, that's good. Whew. All right, I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, the timer just went off, so we're gonna open this up if we can. Ooh, look at that, baby. Oh man. Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that a beaut? Alright, and through the TV magic of camera work, she's done. And the kids' pizza, the first mate, he worked on this one. And we're going to get this one in for the 15 minutes. Put that in there like that. Set our timer. 15 minutes. Whoop, 20. 15. Start. But look at that. Isn't that a beaut? Wow. Oh, I wish you could smell that. That smells great. Crust is done just right. It's hot. I'm gonna let it cool. Oh yeah. All right. Looking good. All right, guys. Glad you could join us on this last video of our latest production. I mean, I'm getting tongue-tied from all this damn bourbon. So, on that note, got 12 minutes on the clock. All right, live TV. So the kids' pizza get done, I want to sit down as family and eat together. So I'm glad to invite you into my home. And on this latest edition of, what the hell do we call this thing? Oh yeah, cooking with the first mate, cooking with Hugo. So glad you could join us on this edition of Cooking with Hugo. Until we do it again, my friends. Thank God I'm not chopping anything other than those onions. Alright, so hope you enjoyed this video production from the Capt and the first mate. Till we do it again, remember what we always say, first mate, let's set sail.